Welcome to the top best. The best animal drawing is probably one of the most rewarding and accessible artistic pursuits for beginners and experienced artists alike, offering a fantastic opportunity to hone your observational skills and bring the natural world to life on paper with just a few simple tools. Whether you're drawn to the majestic power of a lion, the playful antics of a puppy, or the serene grace of a bird, learning to draw animals allows you to capture their unique essence and movement, transforming your passion for wildlife into tangible, beautiful artwork that you can be proud to share. Number 5. All the Things, How to Draw Books for Kids. Looking for a fun and engaging activity for your child? Our How to Draw series is perfect for sparking creativity and developing fine motor skills. With a wide variety of exciting themes, including cars, unicorns, and dragons, there's something to capture every child's imagination. They can learn to draw all their favorite things. Each book provides simple, step-by-step instructions that are easy for kids to follow. Watch as they gain confidence with every stroke of their pencil. Designed specifically for young artists, these books make drawing accessible and enjoyable. It's a wonderful way to encourage artistic expression and build confidence. Keep your little ones entertained for hours with these engaging drawing guides. They'll love bringing their favorite characters and objects to life on paper. This title is part of our popular How to Draw for Kids series, known for its quality and engaging content. You can trust it to provide a great learning experience. What we like. This book offers a fantastic range of drawing subjects, from speedy cars to mythical creatures and sweet treats. It's perfect for young artists who love variety and want to explore different drawing themes. If your child enjoys a bit of everything and loves to draw, this is a great choice. What people say. This book is a great resource for learning to draw animals. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. It covers a wide variety of animals, from common pets to exotic wildlife. Number 4. All the Animals, How to Draw Books for Kids. Are you ready to bring your favorite animals to life on paper? This book makes it fun and easy for anyone to start drawing. Learn to draw adorable dogs and cats with simple, step-by-step instructions. You'll be creating charming pet portraits in no time. Discover how to sketch powerful lions and graceful dolphins. Explore the wild world of animals through your drawings. Designed specifically for young artists, this guide breaks down complex drawings into manageable steps. It's perfect for beginners. This series offers a variety of drawing guides to spark creativity. Expand your artistic skills with more titles. Grab your pencils and paper, and let's start drawing. You'll be amazed at what you can create with a little guidance. What we like. Dive into the world of animal drawing with this comprehensive guide. It covers everything from your favorite pets to majestic wild animals, all presented in an easy-to-follow format. If you're looking to master drawing a wide array of creatures, this is the book for you. What people say. The book is a great resource for learning to draw animals. It provides clear step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. The illustrations are beautiful and inspiring. Number 3. Magical Things, How to Draw Books for Kids. Discover a world of imagination with our fun and easy drawing guides. Perfect for young artists eager to bring magical creatures to life on paper. Learn step-by-step how to create enchanting unicorns, fierce dragons, and graceful mermaids. These guides make drawing magical beings simple and enjoyable. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve, these books offer clear instructions for everyone. Spark creativity and build confidence with every stroke. This title is part of our beloved How to Draw for Kids series. Collect them all and expand your artistic adventures with more exciting themes. Looking for a creative gift? These drawing books are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Inspire hours of screen-free fun and artistic exploration. With these guides, children can easily draw their favorite mythical creatures. It's a fantastic way to encourage imagination and develop fine motor skills. What we like. Unleash your imagination with a collection dedicated to magical and fantastical beings. This book is ideal for aspiring artists who dream of drawing unicorns, dragons, and mermaids. If you love fantasy and want to bring mythical worlds to life on paper, this is your go-to. What people say. The book is very easy to follow, with clear step-by-step instructions. The illustrations are beautiful and provide great inspiration for drawing. It covers a wide variety of animals, from common pets to exotic creatures. Number 2. Draw 50 Animals, Step-by-Step Drawing Guide. Ever wanted to draw your favorite animals? This guide makes it simple and fun for everyone. Let's get started on your artistic journey. Learn to draw a variety of creatures, from majestic elephants to playful dogs. Each lesson breaks down complex shapes into easy-to-follow steps. Discover how to bring to life everything from your beloved pets to exotic wildlife. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Our clear, step-by-step method ensures that anyone can learn to draw. Follow along and see your skills grow with each new animal. Master the art of drawing popular animals like elephants, tigers, and dogs. You'll also learn to capture the essence of fish, birds, and many others. This is your ultimate companion for learning to draw. It provides all the guidance you need to create impressive animal artwork. What we like. This classic guide provides a structured, step-by-step method for drawing a vast array of animals. It's designed for those who appreciate a methodical approach to learning. If you want to learn to draw dozens of animals with clear, sequential instructions, this is an excellent resource. What people say. This is a great book for beginners. It has clear instructions and helpful diagrams. I love the variety of animals included in this book. There are so many different species to learn how to draw. The step-by-step approach makes it easy to follow along and create realistic drawings. Number 1. Draw like an artist, 100 realistic animals. Ever dreamed of drawing animals with lifelike detail? This guide is your first step towards achieving that goal. Learn to capture the essence of every creature. Discover the secrets to creating realistic line drawings that leap off the page. We break down complex forms into simple, manageable steps. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Explore a diverse collection of 100 animals, from majestic wildlife to common pets. Each one is presented with clear, step-by-step instructions. Practice your skills with a wide variety of subjects. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this book is designed for you. It's an invaluable resource for anyone passionate about drawing. Start your artistic journey today. As the third volume in our series, this book offers advanced techniques and detailed guidance. It builds upon foundational knowledge to help you achieve professional results. Elevate your drawing capabilities. Gain the confidence to tackle any animal subject with our easy-to-follow methods. You'll develop a keen eye for detail and proportion. Soon, you'll be drawing like a true artist. What we like. Elevate your drawing skills with a focus on realistic animal depictions. This book is tailored for aspiring artists and designers aiming for lifelike results. If you're serious about mastering realistic animal anatomy and form, this sourcebook offers the detailed guidance you need. What people say. This book is a great resource for learning to draw animals. It provides clear step-by-step instructions and helpful tips. The illustrations are beautiful and inspiring. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.